Almost every trader starts their journey chasing the so-called holy grail, that one magical indicator that can guarantee profits. They try RSI and complain it's too noisy. They switch to EMA and say it's too slow. Then they test ADX but can't figure out how to use it properly. The truth is, no indicator is perfect. Each one reveals just a small piece of the market puzzle. But when you combine them the right way, you can create a complete scalping system, simple, powerful, and incredibly accurate. Before jumping into setups, you need to understand what each indicator is actually telling you. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures momentum. It shows when the market is overbought or oversold, meaning price has moved too far from equilibrium. But using RSI alone can be misleading, because sometimes price can stay overbought for hours and still keep rising. That's where EMA, the exponential moving average, comes in. EMA tells the story of trend direction. When price stays above the EMA, buyers dominate. When it's below, sellers are in control. It helps you avoid trading against the main flow. Then there's ADX, the average directional index, the compass of trend strength. It doesn't tell you which way the market is moving, but it tells you how strong that move is. When you combine these three, you get a complete picture. RSI reveals momentum shifts, EMA defines the trend direction, and ADX confirms how powerful that trend really is. This is why many traders fail. When they use each indicator in isolation, they only see part of the picture. Once you learn to blend them together, the chaos of the market starts to make sense. You'll know exactly when to enter, when to wait, and when to stay out completely. To make this system truly work, you need to fine-tune the settings. Start with the RSI. Instead of the default 14-period setting, reduce it to 3. This makes the RSI respond much faster to price movement, which is essential when you're scalping on lower timeframes. Also, adjust the overbought and oversold zones from 70-30 to 80-20. You only want to react when RSI touches those extreme levels. It filters out the noise and leaves only high probability signals. Next, modify the ADX. The default setting is 14, but for faster market reaction, lower it to 5 periods. Focus on the key level of 30. When ADX is above 30, the market is trending strongly. Below 25, it's flat or consolidating, not ideal for scalping. Finally, use a 50-period EMA. It's sensitive enough to catch short-term trends, but stable enough to filter out small fluctuations. When price is above the EMA and the line is sloping upward, you only look for buys. When it's below and sloping downward, you only look for sells. When you combine all three indicators, it's like reading a piece of music. RSI tells you when the rhythm is changing, EMA gives you the main beat, and ADX measures the intensity, the volume of the market. When all three align, you have a perfect melody for your trade setup. Now let's bring this system into action. Start by identifying the main trend using the EMA 50. If price is trading above and the EMA is clearly pointing upward, you focus only on buying opportunities. If price is below and the EMA is sloping downward, you look only for sells. Once you've identified the direction, move to RSI. In an uptrend, wait for the RSI to drop to the 20 zone. That's a pullback within the trend and often where price prepares to bounce higher. In a downtrend, wait for RSI to reach the 80 zone. That's when price is overextended and ready to fall. However, only take the trade if ADX is above 30, confirming that the market has enough strength to sustain the move. Here's how a buy setup works. Suppose price is above the EMA 50, RSI just touched 20, and ADX reads around 35. As soon as you see the first bullish candle that pulls RSI out of the oversold zone, that's your entry signal. Place your buy order above that candle's high, stop loss just below its low, and target a profit ratio of 1.1.5 or 1.2. If you stick to this setup, you'll see win rates above 70%, especially during the London and New York sessions when volume and volatility are highest. For sell trades, it's the opposite. Price below EMA 50, RSI hits 80, ADX above 30, and a strong bearish candle appears pulling RSI down. That's your sell setup. Enter below that candle, stop loss above it, and use the same risk-reward ratio. To increase your win rate, Remember 3 golden rules. Trade only when the EMA has a clear slope. A flat EMA means the market is ranging, and ranging markets are a scalper's worst enemy. Pay attention to where your signals appear. When RSI, EMA, and ADX align near strong support or resistance zones, the probability of success doubles. And most importantly, don't FOMO. If the candle after your signal doesn't break the high or low of the signal candle, skip the trade. No momentum, no profit. Scalping is not about the number of trades, it's about the quality of your setups. One clean, high-quality setup can outperform 10 random entries. The EMA RSI ADX system isn't magic, but it's a powerful data-driven combination of 3 core elements: momentum, direction, and strength. When all 3 agree, you're no longer trading emotionally, you're trading with logic and precision. So stop chasing the next secret indicator and start mastering the synergy of these 3. Let EMA, RSI, and ADX guide you to see the real flow of the market instead of being swept away by it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Zeus Trading Cashback, and join our Telegram group in the description to receive real-time trading signals and our 100% cashback program. Scalping isn't hard. It only becomes hard when you try to make it complicated.